Hey fam, welcome to my channel. First off, shout out to Shein because they did it again. Not only did they send me this banging banger wig, they threw in this bomb goodie bag that basically has everything in it you need to do your lace front. Inside of this bag, we have some Bold Hold lace front glue. You got your glue remover, a wax stick. Oh yeah, we need this to stick them hairs down. And they threw in some edge control that also has aloe, honey, and nettle in it, so it smells hella good. Ooh, and 2 elastic bands, not one but 2. Shout out, thank you, Shein. Let's get to it. Okay, so here's the wig. It's straight. I bleached the knots and plucked the edges, and then I was trying to decide what else should I do. So I decided to put some crimps in it and put 2 braids on the side. And this is how the finished look is. There go the little braid. I put some crimps in there to camouflage it. Here's the other little braid on the side. And this is what I decided to do to her. I just threw some crimps in there, put the 2 braids on the side. Haven't combed it out or anything like that. But let's see how she looks in real time. What's up? Let's get to it. So I just threw my ball cap on. I didn't do nothing special. I didn't put it over my eyes, over my ears, nothing like that. Do I got a tan? I do. Dang. Hopefully that little wipe take away this indentation from this ball cap. That's because I had the ball cap on like for a long time. Y'all, I was supposed to bend it right here. I got that all in my ear. Wait a minute. Yes, my head is this small. And I size the hell out of it. Oh, to see how I size wigs, make sure to search my playlist. It's super snug, y'all. Look. Woo! the dryer almost, the blow dryer almost fell. So this is how I originally had crimped it. Like this. However, oh, the sun. However, it seemed to look cute. How was it? This was going over this way. I'm not even finished with my baby hair yet though. I just wanted to put a little bit, just a little bit, like barely noticeable.